Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out this 1970 Chevy El Camino. You can shut her off, yeah. Good looking old car. I would classify just a nice driver. It's got a nice look, and it's a 70, which we were just talking, they're hard to find.
Yeah, there's a lot of 71s and 2s, but 70 is a great year for Chevelles and El Caminos. It's got a great stance too. I love the tire size, like the raised white letter tires, and obviously just the nice level stance of it. Good looking car, and like you said, we got it in a price range where it's just a nice affordable driver, nice solid car underneath, but paint's older and it's just nice driver.
Mm-hmm.
Front bumper's in excellent shape. I love the 70 front bumper with the turn signal lenses in the bumper like that. Just good looking.
Yeah, it is.
Got the dual headlights, grill's in great shape as well. Under the hood was a factory air car. We did get a couple of the components in with it, like the compressor and stuff like that, but none of it's working. Does have power steering, power brakes, nice set of headers, and just a good running 350. Engine bay looks good though.
Yeah, it does.
You can tell they pulled the fenders off when they did do the paint job years ago. The inner fenders look good, top of the frame, supports, all that looks good as well.
Bottom side of the hood looks good too.
We put a new wiper motor on it, got that working, made sure the heater fan worked too. So, did our normal stuff, put a horn button on it, just made it ready so the next time we can jump in and enjoy it.
Mm-hmm. Hood lines up good. Shed mentioned bumper, grill, all that look very nice. Do you have a little upward star chip ding there?
Yeah, just a little buff through right here. You see just a little primer specks.
Mm-hmm.
I'll try to do the best to point stuff out, but it's just a lot of stuff you're just not going to see. A little orange peel, stuff like that. There's a little chip paint right along that edge there. But the bottom of the rocker, the lower quarter, the bottom of the fender, all that stuff's nice and solid.
It's really solid. Didn't this one come from California?
Yeah, it was a California car. Mm-hmm. Yep. I bought it out of here in Iowa, but the other guy got it from there.
A couple small chips that's been touched up.
Vinyl top is awesome. I mean, super solid on the vinyl top.
Yeah, and for El Camino, like I said, the rockers, corners of the doors, vinyl top, all that's super nice and solid.
Corner of the doors rust-free. I mean, you don't see that very often on them.
No.
Really solid.
Seems like a lot of these got used like a pickup and just rusted out so bad. I've seen more rusty El Caminos than anything.
Yeah. Usually the rear frames rot out. As far as the rubbers have been replaced during the paint job years ago. Front seat and stuff's in really decent shape. Dash pad's good. It is missing a radio. Dalton, the owner can go ahead and put whatever radio they want. Dome light works. Headliner's decent.
It's got a little hole in the headliner here that's got a little piece of tape over it. The dash and stuff's in good shape. Box sides are good.
Looks like they replaced, when you get around to it, they replaced the back bumper as well.
Yeah, bumpers look awesome. Tailgates looks good.
They did a nice job painting that, a nice gloss. Inside the box is all solid. A couple little dings and stuff, but it's solid, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
I'll see if the tailgate opens, shall we? Yeah, cool. Nice
Look behind that tailgate.
Yeah. That's where they usually rust, ain't it? Nice pinch weld there all the
Either
way.
you don't see them solid like this very often. You might see one overly restored, where everything's been
Super
fixed.
Nice. Or junk.
Or junk,
This one's right in between, isn't it?
Well, it fell over there. Even when they painted it, did a good job painting in there too.
I haven't seen any bubbles or nothing on it yet.
I haven't seen nothing.
Nice and solid. You got a little chip down here in the rocker when you get this far deep. Other than that, super solid. Bottom of the front fender, bottom of the door, rocker all looks good. Go ahead and open this for you. The corner is awesome here. Nice all the way along. Again, driver quality because you can see just a little bit overspray just along that edge.
Door panels are nice.
Yeah, seat looks good too. Somebody did go ahead and put working speakers. I say working because they're all wired and stuff. in the door panels at one time. Door panels are in good shape other than that.
All right, we'll take her for a spin and see how it goes down the road.
Park indicator works. It is a good car.
Even a little.
Crank windows.
Yep.
There's your air conditioning. Ooh, hold on, D. She's a goer.
She's a goer. The handle's pretty good, don't it?
Yeah, it's actually more powerful than I thought too. Here's your brakes again after the guys get done with the brakes. Awesome job. Yeah, it really took off a lot better than I thought it would for just 350 in here.
Absolutely. Oh, another thing on the headliner, you have a little.
Oh, it does have a seam split. I didn't notice that when I took the pictures.
There. Yeah, I didn't see
Needs
that
to be
either.
sewed up, doesn't it?
Oh, it's cold out today.
I did notice the speedometer bounces just a little bit. Kickdown works good.
You hear the secondaries open up on the forward row?
Yeah, really nice firm shift, ain't it? Shift to third, back down to second. I'm doing that aggressively with the foot. I'll just get it, just lay into it just nice. Oh, you can see all the nice shifts. There's your brakes are perfect. The steering and alignment's great too. I mean, it just steers gorgeous. It does have just a little bit of a, as far as if you want an alignment for the steering wheel to be straight, that'd be the only thing.
Yep.
The alignment's really good on it right now. Because the steering wheel's about right here, D. Just a little bit off. Yeah. Like that. All right. So I'm just gonna drive her normal.
Nice shift.
50 mile an hour, shifts right into there. 65, just cruises, man. See it?
Yeah, good
Alignment's
car.
great.
Good quality El Camino. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.